Hey guys, how are you? This is English for ninth grade lesson number 2. So today we're going to study personality adjectives, and the objective of the class is describe people by their appearance. This is on part number 4, page number 6. Antes de iniciar, jóvenes, recuerden que tienen que tener a la mano el folleto que les entregué en el colegio. Este es un video de apoyo. Es necesario que ustedes pongan atención a la pronunciación y repitan. Es así como se aprende inglés. ¿Ok? No solo ir viendo y escuchando. Es que tienen que ver, escuchar, pronunciar y escribir. Entonces lo que aparece en el folleto es the personality adjectives like proud, orgulloso, impatient, impaciente, lucky, suertudo. And here we have some examples of these adjectives, like number 1, Johnny is so proud. Johnny is so proud. Johnny es muy orgulloso, está muy orgulloso. Tina is a very impatient person. Tina is a very impatient person. Tina es una persona muy impaciente. Lucky. David is a lucky guy. David is a lucky guy. David es un chico suertudo. Okay, let's continue. Okay, here we have the adjective hardworking, trabajador, lazy, haragán, friendly, amistoso. And here we have some examples. Tom is a hardworking man. Tom is a hardworking man. Please repeat. You are so lazy. You are so lazy. They are friendly people. They are friendly people. Okay, hardworking, lazy, and friendly. Next. Here we have bad-tempered. Bad-tempered, como malhumorado. Outgoing, que es como hiperactivo, una persona hiperactiva. Outgoing, que le gusta sobresalir, divertirse, salir. Talkative, que es una persona que habla mucho. So, some examples. He's so bad-tempered. He's so bad-tempered. Outgoing people are very happy. Outgoing people are very happy. Shut up. You're so talkative. Shut up. You're so talkative. Next. Here we have the adjectives nervous, nervioso, generous, generoso, kind, amable. Kind, generous, nervous. Are you nervous of the exam? Repeat. Are you nervous of the exam? Si yo le pregunto a usted, are you nervous of the exam? ¿Qué le estoy preguntando? ¿Estás nervioso por el examen? Thank you, sir. You are so generous. Thank you, sir. You are so generous. Esa persona le está agradeciendo al Señor que Él le está regalando dinero porque Él está cantando. Thank you, sir. You are so generous. Robert is so kind with all people. Robert is so kind with all people. Robert es muy amable con... ¿Con quién es muy amable Robert? With all people, con la gente mayor, con la gente adulta, con la gente vieja, all people. Good. Johnny's interview. La entrevista de Johnny. So we have Tina and Johnny, they have this interview, and we're going to try to pronunciate correctly. Please repeat. So Tina says, could you please tell me about yourself? Hey, guys, this is on page number 9. No se olviden. Please don't forget. Eso está en el folleto. Page number 9. Okay, let's repeat again. Could you please tell me about yourself? Repeat. Could you please tell me about yourself? Could you please tell me about yourself? So Johnny says, my name's Johnny. I'm 21 years old. I'm an engineer. I'm from Lajas. My name's Johnny. I'm 20 years old. 21 years old. I'm an engineer. I'm from Lajas. I'm a hardworking person. I'm a hardworking person. I like to work very much. I like to work very much. I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy. I'm a very responsible and honest person. I'm a very responsible and honest person. I am funny. I am funny, passionate, and very optimistic. Passionate and very optimistic. I am funny, passionate, and very optimistic. I need this job because I can do the best effort. I need this job because I can do the best effort. Okay, very good. Eso fue todo por hoy, jóvenes. Espero que hayan aprendido y que les vaya bien en el folleto. So, thank you very much and goodbye.